Good morning, everyone in YouTube land. Happy Friday. We made it through another week, guys. I'm gonna start looking at some tickers and things here. So, uh, yesterday I took a position on Tesla, so I have some thousand calls out on Tesla, and I'm gonna put that right there. So, thousand calls that expired next week, not this week, and kind of sucks that it's down right now, but we'll go over it here in a second. Let me just get logged into this over here. This whole try to get the camera right here, so I kind of silly the way it is, stupid. Change password. So on Monday is President's Day, so so we have a long weekend this weekend. We might have it to where there might not be much going on today. So so yesterday, SPY was pretty much bullish most of the day. Had a dip at open, dip at the excuse me at the towards the close, but yeah, if we could get a dip right here to 337.42 or so, and for it to keep continue going up, that would definitely be nice. Excuse me. And then so we're looking at Shop yesterday too. So we've been looking at Shop ever since the earnings. They had pretty good earnings, guys. So that's where it spiked up here, and then it's kind of just making itself up more right here. So I'm gonna get rid of this. There you go. So see if it pushes up towards 550 maybe today or so. See what happens then. The one that I'm really looking at today is Netflix. So see how it's just been kind of just cruising up. So we may get a dip down here to this 376 or so. So and then for it to continue going up. So Tesla's below 785. Son of a bitch, bro. We'll see. We'll see what happens, dude. I want that trade to work out, but we'll cut it pretty quickly if it doesn't. So, no big deal. I also yesterday I took a small position on Square SQ. So I have that. That's waiting for it to get over the 85. So this was really strong yesterday, and then it kind of just came back. But I'm looking for it to get over the 85. So if you look at it kind of like in the longer term here, I wanted to break these highs right here. We get some momentum once we break those highs. Yeah, see. If it starts pulling away and coming back down to where it wants to come back down to 60, then I'll cut it. If you're watching on YouTube or anything, leave some questions or your comments in the chat. I could see them as well, and I'll answer them. Anything like technical analysis, like the indicators or things like that, or what you want me to go over, like in the open, like what to look for. I could do that as well. I need to do something about this camera, bro. Like, I don't know. Oh, and Amazon. Let's look at Amazon today. We might see if we get another push up towards that 2200 on Amazon today, guys. So that'd be really nice. Actually, I'm going to keep that probably here. So this is what I was. I have the 3 screens, so I was looking at Amazon on the other screen over here. But Alberto, good morning, bro. How you doing, bro? Stuff? Yeah, so that would be nice if it could start curling up here to the 2200 on Amazon. It's holding my my T3 line here. It's holding this pretty well, so we'll see. One second, I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab my phone. All right. So yeah, it looks like there's like a it's because the sun now. The sun is coming through the window right there, so it's looking like there's a spot right there. It's freaking stupid. Alberto's our resident small capper here. What small caps are you looking at, Alberto? Oh, Alberto's just waking up, guys. Rich, good morning, bro. Happy Friday, bro. You guys, are you guys more excited for the 3-day weekend, or you get upset about it? Yeah, I think it is too, dude. I used to get where, yeah, Monday's President's Day, Alberto. Yeah, I think so. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it messes with the theta and the gamma, like when you're trading options. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. So on Amazon, if we get a dip here to this like 2149.99 or so, even as low as this 2147, um, this area right here, it'll be a bounce to go up. So that's what I'm looking at on Amazon. Nvidia's already taken off. Dude, this thing is strong as hell, bro. Oh, they had earnings yesterday. Yeah, someone, who was it? Who was it that was saying we should short this? I actually really like Nvidia, Pedro. So I'm gonna put this one over here. So Nvidia and Amazon, I think, are gonna be my main ones that I look at. So this is what we call in the room, we call our dip and rip or Snigglefritz pattern, guys. So whenever you have a strong pre-market like this, what we look for at the open is a little dip to like some support. So in this case, it'd probably be like around 287, 288 or so, and then for it to continue on up. So it wouldn't be unlikely for it to test 300. So. Ooh, the high is at least the 3-year high is 292.76, bro. So that's exciting. Tristan, good morning, dude. Janik. Sorry if I annoy you guys. I'll tell you good morning every morning. I always thought that was a cool thing whenever I was working as a boss or like like a manager or someone that went out of their way to tell everyone good morning. You know what I mean? Like they didn't have to come out of their office to kind of come see how everyone's doing or whatever. But for them to come out and drink their coffee and just see how we're doing and stuff, I always thought that was a pretty cool leader type thing or whatever. But I know this is a different type of deal, but trying to make you feel special, gosh darn it. Today's my son's birthday, guys. If you guys didn't know, my son was born on Valentine's Day. Ruined Valentine's for the rest of his mom's life, so I'm fucking excited about that. I know, hopefully I get to talk to him today, so. He turned 6 today, man. Pretty freaking excited. I had like big plans and everything for us. I had big plans. Like I thought I was gonna get him by myself this weekend, and he wanted to go to the trampoline park, dude. I don't know if they have a lot of those out there where you live, but he wanted to go to the trampoline park, and then. Dude, if I said we could take him to the strip club, he'd probably go, dude. He already loves girls, bro. Whenever we're in the grocery store, like he tells all the like women and girls like hi, and if they just like ignore him, they just like, oh, he's just whatever. Like he'll stick out his head and he's like, I said hi, like you know what I mean? Be rude. That'd be cool if he was a trader, bro. I think I wish I had some type of platform to talk about just like I don't know, maybe I'll do like a vlog or something like on parenting. I'm trying to like capture like everything I go through, like as far as the court stuff and everything for like other dads that do the same thing. I think there would be a lot of value in dads kind of building a community around fighting for their kids and stuff that actually want to, because it's rough, dude. It's really hard, and dads don't get enough credit, bro. To be honest. I tell the judge stuff and she just kind of snickers at me, bro. Like anything that I ask for, I don't ever get. But then like his mom asks for something stupid and then it's granted right away. And I always try to compromise. I always try to, do the right thing, and it just sucks. So, yeah. And he straight up cries to come with me. Like, he wants to spend more time with me. He asks like to come with me all the time. And what I think it is that his mom knows that like I could provide like a better lifestyle for him and stuff, and that once he starts like spending more time with me, he's gonna want to be like with me more. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I bought him a dirt bike. I think it was like last year for his birthday, and it's just been sitting in storage. He hasn't ridden it because I mean he can't come with me. Like, the thing is freaking brand new. Like, I've probably only ridden it just to like warm it up. Like, you know what I mean? But he hasn't actually even ridden it. Yeah, let's get down to some trading, guys. So I got my Nvidia up here on this side. I need 290s. I got Amazon over here. Do you guys have any particular indicators or anything on this side that you want me to put up? Tesla's pushing right now, so guys, so let's see what happens. See if I don't start getting fucked on this. There goes that little drop on Nvidia. That's what I'm thinking, dude. That's all I'm thinking. So we'll wait for the bounce on it. So Pedro said that it's profit taking after the big push. So, oh damn. 30 seconds. There was times yesterday, guys, where at the highs of Tesla, where I was up 15,000 and I didn't cover, dude. So I'm a fucking idiot. So on Nvidia, guys, straight up to that 287 that we were talking about on Nvidia. So if you have the right here, we were right to the 287 like we were saying. Wait for it to keep pushing up. There goes Tesla, guys. Gonna start a little bit of Amazon right here. I like how it's holding the 21.49 like we were talking about. There's that push on Nvidia. And Tesla's just trying to freight train up, guys. So this 800 should be a pretty light snack for Tesla. Nvidia still looking nice. I'm still holding. If you look at the TTM and everything here, this is that dip and rip, you guys. It's straight up perfect how we were talking about the setup. Straight up to the 287 like we were saying, and then going up. Awesome, Alberto. What ticker is that? BTI. BTI. Dude, that's $2 right there, bro. That's really good, bro. That was on your real account? Good job, bro. So on Nvidia, remember we have that resistance right here at 292, guys. So if you're in this, you need to take a little bit of profit right here, and then you can always re-add it in later. Bam, perfect. And there goes Amazon, guys. On Nvidia, you see how we have this kind of resistance that it was right here. Oh, now it's kind of breaking down, but you would want it to hold around in this area right here, and then for it to bounce back up. If it breaks below this, I'll go ahead and cut it as my trail stop. I have one contract left. I sold the rest up here at 292, like I said, and we'll be good to go there. And that's it. And then I'm just holding on to my Tesla. Tesla's over here just chilling, going up. So I almost forgot about that 292, Pedro. Would have been bag holding. There it goes. So it started to break right here on Nvidia, so we'll get out there. Yeah, exactly, bro. That was perfect, bro. Perfect plan and execution. So what you would want to see right here on Nvidia again is for it to hold around this 287 area, and then for it to go up to 292 and try again, guys. GNPX. The only thing about this whole YouTube thing is that I don't I use one of my screens here for YouTube, and I don't have my small cap charts. Uh, 810 is becoming to be hard resistance here on Tesla, guys. Kind of freaking sucks. It's 810 to 820 or so. I'm gonna look at getting some Amazon right here, guys. If we break above this 2157.50. We need a spot up to start pushing up to though. B-tie. Dude, that was actually a really good setup here, Alberto. I really like this on B-tie. So I'll show it here on the screen real quick. So this is almost the same exact setup that we had in Nvidia. So this is what I like to see. This is strong pre-market. At the open, you have this dip and then rip. So the dip right here, you see where it kind of had this little support twice right here, and then and this is where it came down to, and then it just went straight up. So I actually like that. Amazon, guys. Amazon. I was hoping Tesla would make a strong enough move today, guys, where like it would tempt me to actually get out today. I don't. Now that I know that we have the 3-day weekend, I'm not 100% convinced to hold through the weekend. So. We need Tesla to go kind of sideways right here a little bit in order for it to curl back up, but you see a lot of pressure right here on these top wicks. So here comes the SPY, guys. Ooh, what a nice wash on Nvidia. A dip on GNPX. If you wanted a short Nvidia, guys, this 292 was the spot. So you off that hard resistance right here, just straight up off the 292, just risking right above it, and I mean that was pretty dang nice. Actually, 288.90. Oh, I was gonna say like when it popped up to here, so this actually broke the VWAP. The VWAP is at 288. It was at 90, but now it's going down a little bit. So it actually broke the VWAP and then came down. So I like the setup where it comes down below the VWAP, it comes up and like does not break it, and then continues on down. My contacts are bugging me today, guys. Sorry. Oh, you're in Nvidia puts? 285 puts? Dang, Pedro. That's the way to be money biased right there. Pedro straight up flipped bias, and he went the other way, bro. I didn't even think about it, to be honest, guys. I'm sorry. Here we go. Tesla one more time. Did you nail it, GNPX, Berto? Let's see it, bro. Good job, bro. Your patience is getting freaking phenomenal, Pedro. Or, I mean, Alberto, excuse me. Your patience is getting freaking sick, dude. From the 380 up to 420, that's 40 cents, bro. That's really good. Oh, shoot. $338 is a high on the SPY now. Can we go up and test that, please? Can we get some movement? Amazon's just kind of going sideways, guys. I'm waiting for it to make a move to go up. So I think the SPY has to. Horrible fills. What was your fill at, bro? Are you over here market ordering into these dips, bro? Come on, Tesla. Ooh. Still not the trade though. You had the plan for it and everything. You know what I mean? Still money in your pocket. Oh, there's a push on the SPY, guys. Can we get some Trump tweets? Where are the Trump tweets when we need it? GNXP. GMPX. Dude, I don't. We gotta work on you holding a little bit here, Alberto. Well, not with that attitude and mindset. Dude, it's just like a muscle, bro. You just work it. You just keep doing it, and it's gonna be uncomfortable until you keep on getting used to it, and then it's not even gonna be a big deal anymore. Oh my goodness. Thing is just going hard now. If you look on Tesla right here, guys, so you have counter dots that are right here. This signifies compression and energy being built up within the actual ticker. So this is actually not the release here eventually. I'm hoping it's more towards the upside, but I'm not liking how this is a high, lower high, lower high. So yeah, not looking 100% well. We need to break this yesterday's close here. Alberto, this thing was a beauty, bro. GNPX. I'm just checking the sweeps. 1 second, guys. Nothing too exciting. Come on, Tesla. There we go. There we go. Look at that volume coming in. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. More of that, please. Have you guys watched Ford versus Ferrari? No, it's a really good movie, guys. You should go check it out. It's actually probably one of my favorites. Christian Bale is a sick actor, I think, bro. In one of the scenes, he's driving the car, and he's like trying to push the limits of the car and like test driving it, and that's where I got that saying. He's like, "Yes, ma'am, more of that, please." Oh, here we go, Tesla. So you guys see what I was talking about on Tesla right here? These counter dots. These are money right here, guys. This is signifies that energy that gets compressed there, and then it has to be released. So we don't know the direction though. That's the only thing with this is it doesn't tell direction. Like I said, I was kind of a little bit worried, but at the same time we were making, lower highs. We're also making higher lows. So I guess I mean, if we could get above 825 or so on Tesla, oh, we would be skating, guys. Skating. You know what I mean? Like eighth grade, holding hands for the first time on the roller rink, trying not to fall on your ass. Skating. Am I? Am I gonna play GNXP? No, dude. Why? I mean, if right here at $5, dude, it's looking pretty tired right here. So, should I get shares and short it? All right, Alberto, you want see what we could do here, bro? Yep, I'm trying to get in and it's says it's not shortable. What the fuck? It's eating through the orders right here on there's some big orders right here at 65. Well, they're gone now. Yeah, dude, it didn't let me. I would have been up 10 cents already, but um I don't know what's going on. Oh well, at least I knew I had a good idea there. I was gonna surprise you. Had to whip out my all um small cap tool though. Like, what is this float? How much am I risking here? Tristan probably has it, right, Tristan? Short on GNPX. IMGN. You gotta share some of your trades with us, bro. I'm sure you're over there killing it, and you're just quieter than a church mouse, bro. That's really good, dude. That's actually really pretty, Tristan. Man, that glare off the. Oh, is that what it is? The glare off the thing, off the camera and stuff. Is that better? Still a big old. I don't know. We're gonna have to live with it. Ooh, the SPY just keeps on. Well, it's kind of basing right here, but see if it breaks down a little bit. There we go. Dude, that trade on BTAI, dude, that was a freaking awesome trade, bro. Look at you just flipping biases, going back and forth, bro. Good job, bro. It's fucking sick. No wonder you're moving on to bigger, better things, bro. If you could send me your executions, bro, if you don't mind me posting your executions, I won't put your name to them or anything because I know you got to stay a little private now. But if you could send your executions or whatever, dude, then and let me post them. Very nice, bro. That's a good, solid way to end the week, though. Later, Tristan. I was just gonna say, I think shorting against his 5 would be good, Alberto. Yeah, I don't know why I can't short GMPX. Roku? I didn't even pull Roku up. Oh man. Yeah, that would have been really nice, dude. We're kind of just waiting. Nothing really going on. So Tesla's just kind of just in this little range right here. It's having a hard time anytime it gets over to 110. So waiting on that, and then I like, man, I really want to short GNPX right here. Too strong, you think? I think we see a pretty nice wash here in a second to 450. Maybe not. Never mind, Alberto. I was wrong. You were right, as usual. If it holds 5 right here, bro. Tesla's just gonna grind up today. Dude, that 380 fill or 380 whatever where you were in before looks pretty good, nice now. Dude, 575 now, Alberto. Alright guys, so everyone out there in YouTube land's gonna go ahead and cut the stream here. Pretty uneventful morning for the most part. So I just got so we had talked in pre-market here on Nvidia, and so what I wanted to happen, you see how they had this like support right here, even right here, support. So I wanted to dip down to around that level and for it to go up, and I got it straight at right here. And the cool thing was is that my my Fibonacci line was sitting there right at that level as well, so that helped with a little bit of confidence as well. Then so it came down, held, and straight up to the 292, which was resistance. If you look back from a while back, so 292 right here, it'll probably break, but I don't know if it'll do it today. So 292 was definitely the profit target, and that was it. And for that part, I took a couple stabs also on Amazon, and wound up taking it now on that. So it was just ranging right here. I was trying to pick these little bottoms and to get it go up, but never really got anything going. So it took a little L. I'm finished the day like, yeah, I'm down like $400, so it's not even a huge deal. But other than that, I'm still holding my Tesla here. We'll see what happens with that. I wanted to keep on going, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So I'll catch you guys all next week on the live stream.